Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Liquid Private Locks, and today's video is gonna be on the changing of the air filter and as well as the engine oil. So this is the first time I'm doing the service myself, and it's a DIY video for Dominar. I had done this for my earlier bike, which is Pulsar 200 NS 2013 mustard yellow. So this time it is for this baby, and the oil which I'm gonna use is Motul and air filter, which is costing around I think 250 180 bucks, I'm not sure. So quickly we'll go and see what are the tools required. You can do it in your home if you have like hardly 2 to 3 spanners and one star screwdriver. So let's go and start the video. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the first step is remove the rear seat, the pillion seat, and then you have 2 screws here. Later you have to remove the tank to remove the air filter. The one is on the one Allen key is here, and we have couple of screws. So here's one, and the same over here. And we do have here, so, and I'll remove all those and let's change air filter. So you need a 5mm Allen key, so we'll go and unscrew it. Be careful so that you will not damage the chassis. Well, this is done. There's one more here. Okay. So to remove these bolts you need a 10 number spanner. Still it is tight.
Okay.
Let's keep this safe. Well, after this bolt, just pull the seat, it comes out. So we'll keep this here, and next we have another bolt, Allen bolt here, and then here is the air filter, which is very clumsy to remove. First we'll remove this complete tank, and my idea is to not to remove the plugs, whatever is connected to the fuel display and the instrument console, I meant. So another thing which I missed is we'll have to remove this one which is near the handlebar. So I think this also requires 10 mm, so it's already loose guard. I should have tightened it. I never removed this, so basically this should have been tight. I could see the plastic fiber is already vibrating. Okay, the screw is over here. Well, hopefully another bolt just here have to be removed with again 5mm Allen key. Okay, this comes with washer as well. What do we have still? I think that's it. Okay, the tank is coming. Okay, there's another bolt which is on the other side. Let me show you guys clearly. This is another bolt. Okay, I thought this would be a complete rod from the other end to here. Anyways, I saw in one of the FB posts where a guy started at like 2 o'clock and ended up till 8 o'clock to do this filter change. Let me see if I can pull the tank now. The first thing is you'll have to lift it on the front gently and then at the back. Make sure you're not messing with the wire. So I have pulled it. So here's the instrument clusters wire, so I'm not gonna mess with that. My next thing is to remove these 2 screws. So just removing this before, I'll clean up all this mess with a very good cloth. And I have to remove these 2 screws to take up the air filter, so we cannot remove with a short screwdriver since the length is almost 1.5 to 2 inches. So I removed 2 bolts, one is here and the similar one is here. So the tank comes a bit up like this, then you have a space to put on the screwdriver and remove this. So I'll go ahead and remove this one. So let's take the tank to left or right and then unscrew this one. And the other one as well.
Oh my god!
As you can see the conditions of air filter after 15,000 kilometers. So definitely guys, please change it after every 6-7 kilometers or above. So this is a new air filter and it's cost around 262 bucks exclusive tax. Let's go ahead and open this. Put it in the same direction which you took it out. For the reference, you have the locks. And as you see the dimensions, So if you guys have any questions, you can ping me, or you can put down those on the comment section. I'll definitely help you guys. So let's switch on and see if there is some wire connections. All up 15,947 is out of. So no vibrations, all good, and no warnings. And finally comes the seat cover. So make sure this lock goes right inside this one. And that's when you get the exact holes where you can put these bolts. Tighten it up. So, and moreover, this is not the stock seat. Literally I cannot sit on the stock seats, so I made them cushion right away. Again, the 10 number spanner. Do it yourself. I wish I had a T-spanner which I could buy. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and hope you like the video of changing the air filter very easily, which you can do it within 1 hour inside in your home. This is a DIY video, and if you guys find this relative and helpful, please do subscribe and support me. And so this video was supposed to be a complete service of the bike, and hence I'll be changing the oil since I have removed the belly pan. So I'll change the oil myself, and there's one more drain bolt which comes here, and complete 1.7 liters of motor will be filled over to this, and it has clocked already 16,000 odo. So the changing of oil would be on the next video, so stay tuned and see you. I'd like you to listen to the exhaust note after the air filter change. Definitely the initial grip of the smudge is completely responsive, and I think air filter is working absolutely fine. So I recommend everybody to change the air filter within order of every 10k, so that is suitable for you. It's just the amount of 250 bucks, so go ahead and change it and maintain the bike well, guys. See you.